Hey, one father. I'm so happy for you. No content you say you don't buy a car. Hey, that car too fine. The body fit. Guy, you buy a car. You still be the house on top. You still open down your plaza. Only this Xmas. Nah, guy, na intimidation. I no like car. Man, tell you I no like car. Show me road. That's what I'm saying, brother. Show me road. I know now.
It's that year, common food was a problem.
Hi, guys.
A problem. But look at me today. I get car. I did my plaza.
Hi.
That man should not be getter. So everything I hard work. If you work hard as a man, everywhere I will open door.
Show me road now.
So road down. So you're happy for me. That's the main thing.
I'm so happy for you.
I don't even tell you. Next week, I dey go my introduction.
For this Xmas.
October.
Nah, guy, show me road in terms of grace. What is it happen for this Xmas?
I dey come. Look my drink, make I go peace.
You want to show me love?
Nah, just. Christmas!
How dare you?
Why did you flog me?
How dare you? No, just give me one coincidental reason why I'm not flogged. At this time that everywhere is full of evil, you left your drink for somebody you don't know? Who is that guy to you?
He's my best friend, my very best friend. I know him from we started together.
And because you started together, you think he is happy that you are making progress? You think he is happy about your progress? Don't you know that it is those people that knows you very well, that knows you from the beginning to the time you are succeeding, those are the people that will poison you. Those are the people that will think of killing you. Those are the people that will think of kidnapping you. Those are the people that will think of hurting you. Anybody that does not know anything about you will not think of doing you evil. Have to be wise. This Christmas period is for celebration. God made this season for us to be happy, see one another, celebrate and make merry. But men of the earth with their evil minds have turned this period as a time they used to kill, to molest people, to take what that does not belong to them, to kill and to commit a lot of atrocity. Everybody needs to be wise. You left your drink, and if I allow you, you go back and continue drinking. I am not saying he has done anything, but this is how they kill people these days. You should open your eyes. Don't be a foolish personality. Be wise, because the children of Christmas are supposed to be wise. Your father Christmas is wise, and children of Christmas are supposed to be wise at the same time. How dare you?
Thank you, Father.
Now go back and then Muranya de Kaz.
Thank you.
Come on, pom. Can it be pom? Nonsense. Everybody have to open his eyes. You have to be wise. Mind who you go out with. Mind the people you tell about your success. Because somebody who do not know you will not kill you. Enwere egwu agoro asị kara onye ya asọ. Onye na amaghị onye will never think of hurting you. The person that will hurt you is the person that knows everything about you. One legi, one nagi, ikwu gi, ibe gi, enyi gi, onye agbata obi gi. I am Father Christmas. I